Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use the NPV function in Excel to calculate the net present value for a real-life example. We'll analyze cash flows over 10 years to determine if an investment is worth it. The discount rate, return of requirement, is set to 10%. Click on a blank cell where you want the result. Enter the formula equals NPV. Firstly, select rate, which is in our example 10%, then range of cash flows over 10 years. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the NPV for these cash flows. NPV is all about the time value of money. This principle tells us that money today is worth more than the same amount in the future because it can be invested to earn returns. By discounting future cash flows back to their present value, NPV helps us see the value of an investment in today's terms. A positive NPV means the investment generates more value than the cost of capital or the discount rate. In other words, it's expected to be profitable. A negative NPV means the project doesn't cover its cost of capital, so it might not be worth pursuing unless there are other strategic benefits.